Alrighty, hello there friends, welcome back to another unboxing. We're checking out the Ideal Life Solar LED camping lights. These are submersible, waterproof, and solar powered. So let's open up the box, see what we got here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's that. Let's see what else is in the box here. Oh. Okay, that is that. Inside we have a little piton, I believe it's called. And now we have our device here. So, okay. I was thinking it was like possibly inflatable, but this is the deal. It's super slim. I wonder if it comes with a charge out of the box. It might not. Most products don't. But those are some good sized LEDs in there. As you can see, there's how many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10. And looks like this is what you get. So it's super slim, as you can see. Lightweight. There's a large solar panels on the back. Looks like there's 6 of those little guys on there. So we got a power button. And that's about it. I don't see any instructions. So basically, I guess you would hang this up in your tent, which would be kind of cool. And it pretty much attach that to anywhere, you know. This is obviously not intended for climbing purposes. Boom, put that on there, hang that on your tent somewhere. So that's cool. Let's turn the power on and see if this is needed to be charged first or not. Okay, there we go. So we get a little bit of light coming out there right now. Obviously, probably not full charge. I'm just going to hit the lights here real quick, show you what kind of light we're dealing with here. Not bad. You know what? This is just the unboxing, so most products don't come charged like that for battery purposes, I believe. So what we're going to do is, still got a nice little, throwing out quite a bit of light right now. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this unboxing video, and then charge this up in the sun. Do a final couple shots here, maybe in different areas, and see how bright it is in total darkness and stuff like that. So, wow. Okay, so that is that. Looks like a fairly cool little thing here. It's got on the back. It has 3 little buttons. So let me actually push that again. Oh, whoa! It just went to turbo mode there. That's a lot brighter. Okay. Whoa. Hard to look at. Okay. Did that just get brighter? And then it's flashing. All right. Okay, so for each little time, that's the second one, the second little dot there. Okay. One, when no lights are showing, it's off. Okay, so there's the 2 lights. Push it again. There's still 2 lights. Still 2 lights on the back, so it's got 3 brightness settings. It looks like that's pretty bright. And then the flashing, and then off. So I'm wondering, it has like on this back part too a little place where it says like a lightning bolt, like it's charging. So yeah, that is actually fairly bright. Like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the sun. See if I can't get it fully charged up. Not a flotation device. It says it on there, and it's not a toy. So if you are drowning in the ocean, this is floating next to you, don't grab onto that, because probably not going to save you. But anyways, that's kind of funny. Anyways, this looks like a pretty neat device actually. I'm going to get it to full charge. Man, there's no instructions to tell me. Waterproof, different brightness modes, flashing mode for emergency situations, LED, 38 hours, solar panels, weatherproof, 8-hour solar charge. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the sun. Like I've been saying lately, I have been saying This thing looks like it's going to be pretty cool. I wonder if it actually gets brighter than what we saw right there. So that will be fairly impressive. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and I will be doing a review as well as a demonstration of the full capabilities of this light on the next video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, hey friends, so here we are in the sunshine, and when this is charging, there's a little red light there by a lightning bolt, and that means it is charging. And I believe that these three little dots here before the lightning bolt, they have a little blue light in there when you turn it on. So I believe when it's fully charged, when you turn it on, it shows 3 dots, and if it's low charge, I think it's 1. I believe that is correct. So now that it's basically fully charged, let's go check out the lighting capabilities. Alright, so here we are. I'm in the bathroom here, and just going to turn out the light and then turn this on to show you how bright it is. So hit the lights, and then to turn it on, it has this little button here in the back. Okay. Dark in here. So the button's kind of hard to find in the dark because it just barely sticks out. In fact, I lost it. Alright, there it is. Just barely protrudes there, so if you're going by feel, it's kind of hard to feel. So I'm going to turn it on one first, and that's what I was talking about. You got the 3 dots there, full bars basically means you're full charge. So okay, lights off. Oh, that's kind of interesting. How it maybe the different light spectrum from LED. Okay, that's on 1. So actually this thing has 3 separate brightnesses. So that's the first one. This is the second one. And that's the third one. So I'm actually really impressed with how much light this puts out as far as I'll just go put it over here on the toilet paper rack, or the paper towel rack. And then you can see that pretty much the whole bathroom is lit up quite nicely. I mean, obviously not as bright as the main light, but you can see that it does put out a decent amount of light for sure. So in a pinch, you know, the power goes out or you're camping or whatever, definitely a cool little light to have. And it also has a little an SOS too. So if you hit the button one more time after it's on the 3rd power, what it's going to do is going to flash SOS, I believe, which is 3. Wait. Dash, dot. So I think that's SOS. Dash, dot. Or maybe it's the other way around. Anyways, it does flash like that. And it is quite bright, as you could see. And one more time, we'll turn the light off all the way. So actually, I guess one more aspect of this is it is supposed to be waterproof. So we have our sink here. I'm just going to go ahead and put some water in there real quick. So it's not going to get, as a camping light, put it in the water. And it does float. And it's waterproof too, so just a reminder, it's not a flotation device though. So this is actually a pretty cool little light. It's I'm pretty impressed with the brightness. I like the fact that you just set it in the sunshine, or actually I was just charging off the lights in my house too. And I'm not sure how long it lasts on full charge. I haven't tried that yet, but it seems to be a decent battery. So let's go on to the final review. Alright friends, final thoughts on the Ideal Life Solar LED light. So I did leave this on for a half hour on full blast and it was still going strong, so I'm not sure how long the battery lasts, but it seems to be quite a long time. Quite impressed with the brightness of it. It's lightweight and it seemed to charge rather quickly. So it's waterproof, it floats, it's just a neat little light, so yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. So thanks for watching this review. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.